Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm Rachel Rampage and today I'm talking about BDSM play for newbies. Whether you're curious about starting your journey or just want to learn more, I'm here to guide you through it. Remember, the most important part in any kind of play is safety and communication, so keep that in mind as we move forward. Velcro restraints are a great introduction into bondage. They're cheap, easy to find, and provide a safe and comfortable way to be restrained. Velcro is easy to remove, making it a low-risk option should your partner start to feel panicked. It's an excellent starting point before investing in more complex bondage materials. Role play involves pretending to be someone or something else during intimate activities. It's accessible and can range from something like nurse-patient, something simple, to more complex fantasies. Role play helps ease into BDSM by allowing participants to explore different dynamics in a safe environment. It's a great way to build comfort and confidence. Sensation play. That's where you use different textures, temperatures, and sensations to enhance physical intimacy. Some common tools include feather dusters, violet wands, ice cubes, things like that. This form of play is great because it's financially accessible and versatile. It allows you to explore your partner's sensory responses. Spanking. Now, spanking is a very basic form of impact play that can be done using your hand, and most people have hands, so it's accessible to almost everyone. Now, when spanking, make sure that you focus on the fleshy parts to avoid injury, unless you're trying to cause injury. And always communicate with your partner to ensure that the experience is enjoyable and consensual. And collar and leash is a great exchange of power, and you can literally go get a dog collar and a leash from the dollar store. You really don't have to spend too much for this, especially if you're just starting to explore. And it's a great way to command that power dynamic of the dominant being above and the submissive being down at your feet where they belong. Now, caution, especially if you're just starting out, make sure you can fit 2 fingers between the neck and the collar of your submissive. And also, when pulling the leash around, you don't want to put too much pressure on the front of the throat. Safety. I hope you found this video informative. And remember, BDSM is all about mutual respect, consent, and safety. If you're new to BDSM or an experienced player, I want to know. So drop a comment and let me know your level of experience. And if you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn those notifications on. Until next time.